Welcome to NewChoice. Today I am including 40 OK Matra words in Hindi and their English meaning. Do, to, lo, take, sona, to sleep or gold, yona, to cry, hona, happen, bol, speak, call, open, mole, price, tall, drum, door, swing, Paul, secret, goal, round, goal, solution, more, peacock, roll, roll, chore, thief, jaw, force or strength, shore, noise, log, people, soch, thought, dosh, fault, khona, to lose, thona, to wash, bona, to sow, kona, corner, gola, spear, gofi, cauliflower, ghoda, horse, coil, cuckoo bird, moti, pearl, topi, cap, jodi, pear, bottle, bottle, rog, disease, bhojan, food, coach, search, Josh, enthusiasm, tota, parrot, tokeri, basket, sochna, to think. This video is very helpful for students, kids and anyone learning Hindi as a new language. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more Hindi learning lessons. Thank you.